Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to show you this simple tutorial how you can copy other traders and make maybe passive income or passive losses. Let's dive in. All right guys, yes, it's fun, but you have to be careful with the copy trading because copy trading now promoted like magic pill. You do nothing, just choose some trader, you become rich because someone traded and you do nothing. But you have to be careful when you choose the trader. Plus, you have to understand the copy trading, it's not a magic because the traders are real human and they can do some mistakes, they can get some stop losses or even the liquidation. So just be careful and don't put that money for copy trades where you can't afford to lose. So be careful. First of all, you have to create an account on a Bitget. Link will be on the description below. Go to here, trades, choose the copy and choose spot copy trading, showing you copy trading assets, profit, net profit, unrealized P&L, and all of this data. And you can sort top traders or all traders. Click more, for example. Here's the elite traders leaderboard. You can choose the spot or a futures trading. And you can choose by days some recent elites traders. For example, highest ROI, highest profit, highest copiers profit, and ranking by copiers. For example, highest profit, 8% ROI. Pretty good on P&L. But don't be trapped with the P&L because a lot of people think if some trader get a huge P&L, it's so successful. No, because maybe he got some big initial deposit, and just open a few trades and the P&L so huge, right? But we have to pay attention for the percentage gains because the trader can trade even with a $10, right? But the win rate will be so high, more accurate. Here you can check the followers. And this is a limitation followers. So nobody now copied this guy. For example, this one. When you open the page, you can find the ROI for the last 3 days performance, total profit, total copiers. So 1,643 another people copied, join it, like subscribe to this guy and copy their trades. So everything totally automatically. And I want to show you how it works. So win rate is 89%, pretty good one. So 414 profitable trades and 49 losses. And it's okay. You can't find the trader with 100% win rate. So just in case. It's showing that total amount of money of all of this people who copy this guy, right? And here's his own profit, right? ROI 113%, profit share ratio. So if you, for example, put the $100 and copy the trades of this guy, from the profit, you will pay the 10%. So pretty simple. Trading frequency. So this guy not trade so often. It depends of your trading style. Maybe somebody wanna find some copy trader who trade every single hour, right? Like a scalper. Somebody love position traders. Someone love the swing traders. So just do your own research with the copy traders and choose which one is comfortable personally for you, for your trading style. This is a trading pair, what he traded. And here's the orders. So like you can see, it can be the like 9% profit, 9% profit, 5, 3, 10, but 1, 2, 3 trades can cover all of this profit because of the 31% down, 30% down, 30% down. So that's the point, guys. So be careful. Here's the copiers and the profit of that copiers who copied this guy. So you can compare, press with, right, and compare with other traders, add to your favorites, or share this page, for example. Let's press the copy and copy this guy. Read the terms and condition, agreement, confirm. I can edit trading pairs. For example, I want to copy only when this guy traded injective. Injective, let's say, and let's say Cardano. I want to copy only when he trade and open trades for this two trading pair. Advanced mode for copy trades, and for example, and add more details, for each trading pair. Or I can use the same settings for injective and Cardano. Here's available amount of USDT on my spot account, but if you see here 0, you need maybe just deposit from your maybe futures account. You can press buy. So I need put the limit what I would like to use. So for example, it's going to be $14, invest 14 USD of principals in each copy trading order. If you set a fixed amount of $100, when the trader buys any amount, you will buy with around $100. So it means I now deposit, let's say $14 every single time when he buy a Cardano or injective at his entry, automatically $14, that amount of money, what I put it here, will be used to copy his trade. I can adjust the risk management. Everything to personally individual. So for example, he opened trade, but I want to put my own stop loss ratio. So let's say I want to just add stop loss 2%. Take profit ratio, I want to close the position, like after 5%. Stop loss 2, take profit 5. Auto copy new trading pairs. So you have enabled auto copy trading. When any elite trader you follow adds new trading pairs, the system automatically copies them for you. Fixed amount, $14, stop loss ratio 2%, take profit ratio 5%, maximum copy 50K. Confirm. So we can't copy this guy. We need to follow by his referral link. It sometimes happens. So let's go and find another one. Let's say this one. I want to press copy, check, injective, and let's say Papa, confirm, $14, risk management 2%, 5%, confirm, and press next, confirm. Operation successful. So now you can track all your trades, in your account. You can edit and adjust some settings if you want to increase the risk. For example, here will be your net profit, P&L, total follow amount, copy trade time. If you want to stop copy some trader, you just choose stop copying. When you unfollow the trader, the copy trade orders you have made will not be sold immediately. They will be sold following the trader's action, or you can sell them manually. Confirm. Done. So guys, this is a way how you can copy some other traders. I recommend you do your research with the traders. Some of them give you the option trade only by their ref link. More risk, some of them less risk. So just do your own research and put that amount of money what you can afford to trade and lose with the proper risk management. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.